What if you could use the tools you already know and love to build Jira reports? You could simply start exploring and experimenting to better understand your production process and how to optimize it. All you really need is the data, and that's easy using the IonaFX Business Intelligence Export plugin. You can get your data either manually via a report, or you can use the included API to set up scripts to automatically extract your data. And our plugin is packed with features to save you time. For example, we standardize the date formats, so you don't have to worry about transforming timestamps and date objects. Also, we put complete identifiers on every row to save you from building lookups and linking fields. And so you can get all your data with only one download. We combine issues with their work logs and comments. Then, to make filtering easy, we added a record type column so you can drill down to just the metrics you need. For developers, our API's response is in a records-based format that parses easily into data frames or data tables. Also, of course, there are date range parameters, so you can pull whatever time period you need. Our tools also come with an online user manual that includes video tutorials, quick starts, templates, and a full data dictionary. It's everything we could think of to help you focus on exploring your data rather than extracting, scrubbing, and loading it. You can get the IonaFX Business Intelligence Export plugin for Jira on the Atlassian Marketplace with a free 30-day trial. Try it today and see what you can create when you add Jira data to your favorite analysis tools.